I got a tab here. We are going to open this tab. This is a very old tab. My dad bought this when he went to Delhi. This is not in a working condition. We are going to find out what's the problem. If there's no problem, if it's just got so many problems, we are going to just throw this away. Dad is. Whoa! My dad opened it. He didn't even remove screws. How? That's so funny. Wow. The screen of the tab is getting confused. The tab is so hard to open. Wow. My dad should do the other side too. Wow. It's too much. I got you something over here. My dad couldn't do that. My dad should do it carefully. Wow! The screen is too quirky. I hope we just remove the screen before we open the tab. I hope it doesn't get dizzy. The plastic is getting a lot of tension over there. Phew. We open it. Give it in my hand, please. I'll just continue with this. Okay, guys, this is the camera. This is the battery. Is there any problem with it? Is my battery not working? I hope it works. If the speaker goes, then everything goes. That's for sure. Okay, we got all the speakers. Guys, please tell my father to solder it fast. I don't want my tab to be like this. Guys, we were opening the tab. So this is the tab. It was a bit something happened to this. Really, guys, I'm not telling a joke, so don't laugh. What? That was easy. Slow and easy. Slow and easy. Slow and easy, baby. I hope my dad is a baby right now. I knew that my dad would do this, but we're doing it. Good news. Wow. But I hope it doesn't happen. Wait, my chip has. Guys, I hope my dad is having some problem opening it. I hope it doesn't happen so easily. Too easily. Guys, my dad opened it. Just a little more. Ow! That was so painful. Guys, I'm sorry, but my big dad has a big problem. Where's my... Phew. We got hey, we don't need this Gorilla Glass anymore because we have a brand new screen. So guys, let's take off the Gorilla Glass.
Guys, we opened the tab, the slide, iBall slide tab. We opened it, when my son opened this, we got this much thing. This is the Gorilla Glass. This is the display. This is display. This is the display.
It's a brand new tab.
This is a back cover. This is a circuit board. These are speakers.
And battery.
This is a mic and this is a battery. Battery is here, right here. Battery. Similar thing we got. So thank you for watching.
Bye.